Hello, Chef here. I want to share one of my daily health rituals with you. This, of course, is Spanish saffron, the real deal. When I open the container, the smell hits me in the face about a foot away. It's long, select threads. Those are the stamens of the saffron flower. Very, very hard to grow, to collect, to process, and what you want is the perfect threads like this. Bright red, velvet dark red, long threads of saffron. Very few places you can get this, and there's so much dishonesty in the marketplace. Search the internet, you'll see what I mean. Doesn't matter if it's $5, $50, $100, or $200. It's very hard to find the perfect threads. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right here. A quick test. This is about my daily dose right here. You can take it daily. You can take it weekly. It's up to you. How much do you want to impact your body and improve your health? So here we go. I just take a little bit of water and put that water in with the saffron, and within a few seconds the color's coming out. You can see it right there. That is the real deal. There's nothing fake or artificial. That's the real color right there. It gets a little stronger, gets a little richer. The color's already getting a dark yellow in a matter of seconds. Now I'm going to show you what I do with this. Tea. Tea is very beneficial for your body. I drink a lot of tea. So here's 1 cup of black tea, and I put honey in my tea. Here's my saffron. You saw the amount. Look at the color already. Beautiful. That goes right in my tea. Now I got an amazing rich saffron tea. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice, beautiful tea. I drink this every day or every couple days. Wow. I often don't remember to drink it, but it's super beneficial for your health. You need to try it. Get the good stuff. Get the stuff the first time. Here you go. You'll get this saffron if you order it from the sponsor right here. It's from Spain. 100% saffron threads, certificate, seal in Spain. You pull the string to break the seal. It's completely sealed. It's gift packed. It's a 1 ounce container. I believe it's about $80 or $90 on the website. Check it out. The sponsor there. And this is the best saffron threads you will ever buy. I personally guarantee it. The best saffron, it's the best saffron that I've found, and like I said, it doesn't expire for several years. I think it stays good longer, way longer than that. It's just pure Spanish saffron. Get the real deal from your sponsor right there. Oh yeah, it's really, really good. Good for your health. Cheers. Cheers to longevity. Try it out. Have a great day. Made in USA, braided stainless steel. It's got a white nylon coating for comfort. This glove will last. I'm going to guess it will last you 10 to 20 years, using it heavily. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. Subscribe right here. Visit the sponsor. Shop small and have a wonderful holiday season. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5 inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good.